Hello everyone, Gavin here with another quick Wix tutorial. In this video, we are going to talk about the Wix QR code generator. So this is a free tool that allows you to create QR codes based on if you want to send people to your website traffic, to your email, to your phone number, to your PDF download, share information about your business. So someone can simply scan this QR code to go to your website, to connect to your Wi-Fi, to send you an email, and so much more. Let me show you how it works. Alright, so let's take a look at how the QR code generator works. So as I mentioned, this helps you create custom QR codes for free, and you can use these QR codes to direct people to your online website, to drive traffic to your online store. You can use the QR codes to share information about your business via PDF documents. You can use these QR codes to increase sales, to connect with people via your mobile phone, via email. You can even connect this QR code to your Wi-Fi so that someone can scan this code to directly connect to your Wi-Fi. I'm sure you've seen some of these things on in hotels. So as you can see, this is information you need to enter to connect the QR code. For example, for the text, you might want to create a QR code to connect people to simply view some text, or maybe you want to send them to the traffic. You simply need to enter the URL right here. If you want a phone number, you simply connect the phone number. SMS, same. Virtual card, take a look at the image. You simply need to upload your image so that if someone scans this QR code, they can directly view this image or photo. For PDF, you simply upload your PDF so that someone scans this QR code to download the PDF. Same with their Wi-Fi, you simply enter the Wi-Fi information so that someone can scan the QR code to connect to your Wi-Fi network directly without them entering the password. Okay, and lastly, the email. So you simply enter the email and someone can scan the code and go direct to their email service app to send you an email or something like that. Down here you can scroll through this page where is wix.com/tools/QR-code-generator. That's the page where you can find the Wix QR code generator. Completely free tool. And this is let's take a look at some of the steps. So this is the first step, as I just explained. The first step is you select the content type, whether you want to create a QR code for phone, URL, SMS, etc. That's the first step. And then as you can see, you can even link to a business card. The next step is add the relevant information based on if it's a URL, based on if it's a website, you enter the URL. If it's an image, you upload the image. If it's a PDF download you intend to get, you upload the PDF. Next is you customize your code. By customizing the code, we are talking about colors. If you want to change the color of the QR code, the background, the dots types. Next is you download your QR code and you start sharing it. Now you can download this in either in either PNG, JPEG, or SVG. SVG means scalable vector graphics, a portable network graphic for PNG and JPEG. So next is to test the QR code by scanning it yourself and see if it actually works before you can start sharing it. So I think even if we stop right here, you already have an idea of what QR codes and how they work. All these we have talked about: SMS types, vCard, email, Wi-Fi, image, and text. So those are some of the QR code types that you can create. You can draft a small text that people can send to you, like an opt-in for SMS updates on your latest deals. Once they scan this for this SMS, they can start receiving some codes, some deals via their SMS. So network with a digital business card that can be saved directly to your contact's phone. So this is a virtual business card. Next is email. So you provide a pre-written email to your business email address, such as a request for a code. So once they scan this code, they are sent to their email service provider app, and they already have an email, a pre-written email that they can send to you to request a code, request service, or something like that. So that's how that email code type works. I already talked about the Wi-Fi. Simply connect, simply enter the information for your Wi-Fi, and someone can scan the QR code to connect to your Wi-Fi without having them to type in the password. Share a digital image like an event invitation or a poster. When someone scans the code, they view this poster. Then we have text. Okay, so this text can even include a small coupon code or instructions to get a deal, to get a discount on a deal. Okay, then we have phone number. So you can drive traffic directly to your business phone number for questions or orders. For example, you can connect your WhatsApp number so that people can scan this code and text them direct to your WhatsApp. So you can use the URL QR code type, that link that you can share with someone to connect to you via WhatsApp, to enter in that URL, and people can scan the code and they are instantly sent to your URL, to your website, to your social media account, to wherever you want them to go. So URL is simply a link, just like you can share your social media channel or your social media link, your social media handle. Facebook.com/Mugabe Imran, that's a URL. MugabeImran.com, that's a URL. Okay, Google.com, that's a URL. YouTube.com/@Mugabe Imran, or at your name, your channel name. I'm sure you know PDF, but if you don't, you know Microsoft Word, and from Microsoft Word you can export a PDF document, or you can export a document in PDF format. So you get this PDF and upload it here in the QR code, the PDF QR code generator. So someone scans the QR code that you share with them, and they simply download or view this PDF document. You follow? Alright, so that's it with the QR code generators. Now, if you want to check out more of Wix's cool tools like the logo maker and the video maker, you can find those via the dashboard, via the marketing and the SEO. I think marketing and campaigns, they have changed the dashboard. We'll talk about the dashboard later. So I think that's it. If you have more questions, you can check them out down here under the QR code FAQs. If you want to learn more about how to create Wix websites, be sure to check out my website, MugabeImran.com. But before we complete this video, let's create one QR code. So up here on the home button, there's this button here that says create. You can simply enter, let's create a URL code, QR code generator. So simply enter the URL, which is MugabeImran.com, and click on generate to generate your QR code. As you mentioned, the other things you can choose or you can change is the size. This is like pixels. It was initially 500. You can also change the colors of the dots. I'll just click on download to get my QR code, and that's it. So click on download as PNG, and I have my PNG right here. Can open it up. You can scan this to test the QR code and see if it takes you to the intended link or intended phone number or intended URL. Alright, so that's it for this Wix quick tip, and I hope it helps you. If it does, be sure to check out more of my Wix tutorials on the channel, and check out my website MugabeImran.com by simply scanning this QR code. And don't forget to hit on the like button, leave some comments in the video, and share the video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I hope to see you in the next one. So I hope that helps you get started with QR code generators and how to generate your QR code to direct people to your website, to your email, to your PDF download, or even to connect to your Wi-Fi. If you find this helpful, make sure to check out the other Wix tutorials on the channel, or check out the website MugabeImran.com for a free Wix website design course. Don't forget to leave a like and share the video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next one.